इंडिया के साथ नहीं चला जाएगा तो क्या मतलब रहता है। मुंबई के साथ समझो कबूतर खाना।
अपनी जान को खाने के लिए 10 टाइम खाना चाहिए तो कबूतर को खाने के लिए क्यों नहीं चाहिए?
A Kabutar Khana is a designated spot for pigeon and where people come and feed them. This is Dadar Kabutar Khana. It is one of the famous Kabutar Khanas in Mumbai. And as you can see, there are hundreds of pigeons who have been fed, and more of pigeons are coming to eat the grains that are being fed to them. Now, during the assembly session that is going on in Maharashtra earlier this month, Shiv Sena MLC Manisha Kainde, who's a part of the ruling government, asked the government what are they going to do about these kabutar khanas, because well, she cited that there are health hazards regarding these kabutar khanas. There's a health risk to humans who are living in the proximity of kabutar khana. So for that, the government said that they will order the BMC to shut down these kabutar khanas. In all, officially there are 51 kabutar khanas, and the government said that BMC will have to shut these down. But why is this a health risk? What is the history of these kabutar khanas? Let's understand that a little bit. These kabutar khanas are really old. In fact, they date back to nearly 3 centuries when Mumbai was getting developed as a city. As you know, East India Company was trying to make its footing in the country and in Mumbai. So they incentivized and asked many traders to come into the city, and the traders, most of the traders there that came into the city were from the neighboring Gujarat, and from Gujarat the Parsis, Hindus, Jains, Muslims, they came and settled down in Mumbai. And in fact, in the Hindu and the Jain community of Gujarat, it is believed that there is something called as a concept called as mercy feeding. Now, mercy feeding is like they have to feed these animals and birds, and it is a religious concept for them. So, as in how they came to Mumbai and they settled around, they developed these kabutar khanas. So, this one particular kabutar khana that you see is around 100 years old. So you can see that there is a water bath over there, and similarly, many people are coming and they feed the pigeons the grains and peanuts. And you can see that as anyone comes near them, these pigeons just fly around, and more pigeons come to eat the grain. So as I was mentioning that the Gujarati community, wherever they went in the city, there these kabutar khanas developed as well. So in Mumbai, officially there are 51 kabutar khanas, but unofficially, pigeon has been a part of Mumbai culture, because you see these pigeons now in your building terraces, parapets, then even on pavements and street, and everywhere the pigeon is growing. So for some of them, it is a religious thing. They have to feed these pigeons, and it is a harmless feeding.
से हम आज 35 साल हो गए, अपने को कुछ बीमारी नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ है। और ऐसा भी नहीं है, कबूतर है अपना खाना खाते हैं और उड़ जाते हैं, तो उससे कोई तकलीफ किसको नहीं होता है।
कबूतर खाने से कोई तकलीफ नहीं, ये 90 साल पुराना है, इसको रिकॉर्ड है इसका, इसके पेपर सब हाजिर है। अपनी जान को खाने के लिए 10 टाइम खाना चाहिए तो कबूतर को खाने के लिए क्यों नहीं चाहिए? भगवान जैसे भगवान ने अपनी जान बचा दी एक कबूतर के पीछे, तो अपन क्यों नहीं बचा सकते कबूतर को?
ये जो कबूतर जो कर रहा है, कबूतर की वजह से कुछ लफड़ा नहीं है, वो बीमारी नहीं है। जो बीमारी है गाड़ी से बीमारी है, गाड़ी ही बीमारी जो करता है ना। आज जो है जो ब्लड प्रेशर है, जो भी बीमारी है, तो गाड़ी कम करो, जिससे गवर्नमेंट को, जिसको गवर्नमेंट का फायदा होता है वो बंद नहीं कर रहे हैं, जिसको आम पब्लिक को नुकसान नहीं होता है उसको बंद कर रहे हैं। ये गलत वाला बात है। मैं गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, ये सब पक्षी जाएगा कहाँ, ये बताओ। और जो 500 जो फाइन मार रहे हैं वो गलत है। ये गलत मतलब पूरा फुल जो अन्याय वाला बात हो गया। जब अपना इंडिया का शान है, इंडिया का शान ही चला जाएगा तो क्या मतलब रहता है। मुंबई के शान समझो कबूतर खाना।
ये कबूतर खाना बहुत पुराना है और दादर की शान है कबूतर खाना, और बंद होना चाहिए। अस्थमा वो बीमारी कबूतर से होती है, वो भी सकती है, पर इनके बारे में भी ह्यूमैनिटी है हमारे पास, तो इनके बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए। हाँ, आप ये बंद कर दो, पर उससे किसी और जगह पर उनके लिए कुछ बनाओ यार, क्योंकि इतने पंछी यहाँ पर इतने कबूतर है, इनकी लाइफ खराब हो जाएंगी, फिर मर जाएंगे। नेटवर्क की वजह से जितने बर्ड्स ऐसे ही मर रहे हैं, उनके बारे में कुछ सोचना चाहिए। अस्थमा हो सकता है, मुझे नहीं लगता, हो भी सकता है, और इनके बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए ना।
For others, it is a health risk to humans. In fact, the pulmonologists in the city as well are saying that there is a rise of hypersensitivity pneumonitis, which is a lung disorder which they have found because of the proximity of people near these pigeons. So in fact, the doctors that we spoke to as well said that they have been, for the past decade or so, there have been the rise of hypersensitivity pneumonitis, especially because these people are living near the pigeons, or pigeons are in their buildings, AC vents and AC ducts, and that is why these cases are growing. So it is a health hazard right now for humans. But as I mentioned that for some community and animal rights activists, this type of feeding is mercy feeding, and they said that this needs to continue, and that is why they even went to the Bombay High Court. And earlier this week, the Bombay High Court, however, refused to grant any interim relief, saying that human health is paramount and the pigeon feeding, there has to be some solution to this. This cannot continue, and they have also asked the BMC to submit a medical report regarding the health hazard. Now this hearing will continue, but in the meanwhile, the BMC has sprung into action, and across the Kabutar Khanas you can see that BMC has started putting out these boards asking people to not give any feed to the pigeons, and they have also started putting fines and imposing fines on people. However, as you just saw, many people came in, they have been feeding the pigeons, and looks like the BMC is going to face a lot of challenge shutting these down. In fact, the BMC officials that we spoke to also said that since Kabutar Khana is a part of Mumbai, and as I mentioned earlier, Kabutar Khana has been a part of Mumbai for centuries now, it is not going to be an easy task. They will take like weeks and months before these Kabutar Khanas are actually shut, and will they actually be completely shut or not is also a big question, because since it is also a religious concept for some, if official Kabutar Khanas are shut, there might be some unofficial Kabutar Khanas that you might see that at some building terraces or building flats that you can see people feeding this pigeon. So BMC says that yes, they are up for this challenge, and at this point they are trying to sensitize people about it, about the health hazards to human, especially those who are living around these Kabutar Khanas. You can see there are a lot of buildings around these Kabutar Khanas, so it is a health risk for people who are living around it, and the BMC says that they will be imposing fines, which is 500 rupees if you feed these Kabutar Khanas. So BMC officials are doing the rounds, and whenever they see people feeding, if they are around, they said that they are imposing fine, but it is going to be a Herculean task before the BMC. And will these Kabutar Khanas will actually be shut? What also the Bombay High Court has to say about this, because the hearing is going to continue, and whether the Bombay High Court listens to the animal activists, or as the High Court in its earlier observation said that human health is paramount, that is the decision that they will take. We will be following this topic closely, but for now, that's all we have for you.